Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set an alert for other messaging unread chat reminders on Snapchat with an updated step-by-step guide so you never miss a message again. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you manage all your app notifications in one place. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps or applications, depending on your device. Next, find and select Snapchat from your list of apps. This takes you to Snapchat's app settings, where you can customize notifications specific to the app. Now tap on Notifications. This brings you to the notification controls for Snapchat on your device. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This lets you fine-tune different types of notifications Snapchat sends. Look for the section labeled Other Messaging. Under this section, tap on Unread Chat Reminders. This option manages reminders you get for chats that you haven't opened yet. Finally, select Alert as your notification type. Choosing Alert ensures you receive a clear and noticeable reminder for any unread chats, so you're always aware of messages waiting for you in Snapchat. By following these steps, Phone Settings, Apps, Snapchat Notifications, Notification Categories. Other Messaging Unread Chat Reminders Alert. You'll have quick and effective unread chat reminders set up. This way, you stay connected without missing notifications about important conversations. Thanks for watching.